Monday Minute at Automation Direct. Automation Direct is now offering even more cable with the latest edition of 600-volt control cable from the brand Quabbin. These cables are ideal for use in control panels, conduits, and where superior electrical properties are required. The smaller diameter design for this cable reduces cost and the space required inside panels and conduits. This cable is available in shielded and unshielded versions, ranging from 20 gauge to 14 gauge with 2 to 25 conductors. Quabbin 600-volt cable can be ordered, cut to length in 1-foot increments with 20-foot minimum, and is made in the USA. Learn more by visiting AutomationDirect.com/600V-control-cable.